Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Decluttered. In today's episode, we will look at this interesting SAT question that came in the 1982 paper. Now, this is referred to as one of the toughest questions that have come in SAT. Also, the options that are given are all wrong. So what the test makers had to do was eventually allocate marks to all the people whether they attempted it or not. But let's try and understanding why this question is referred to as one of the most toughest SAT questions and how we can address such questions. Alright, so what is given to us is there is a big wheel B of radius thrice that of small wheel A, and the wheel A is rotating slowly around wheel B. The question is asking how many rotations does wheel A complete as it goes around wheel B once. Now there are many approaches and many ways of solving this question, and most of these options will also seem correct. One of the options is correct in one of the viewpoints, and I will also explain why that viewpoint works, but the entire concept lies in the concept of rolls around, and when someone is saying rolls around, that's where the entire concept lies. Let's look at it from someone standing at the center of B and observing A. If you are able to think about it conceptually, what happens to that person standing at B is the center of A is fixed, while the bottommost point here is moving. The topmost point here is also moving with every rotation, but the center of A remains at that point, and that's the entire catch in this question. From the center of B, the center of A is at a distance of RA plus RB, which is 4 times RA. Now for every rotation that the disk A makes, it completes 2 pi into RA. It's like when you take a circle and you cut it open and stretch it along a line, the length that the circumference of the perimeter traces is 2 pi r, and that's the distance the center A would have revolved with one rotation. But that center needs to rotate through a distance of 4 RA into 2 pi. This should be equal to 2 pi RA into the number of rotations, and from this you will get n is equal to 4. The generic formula to solve such questions is RB by RA plus 1, which is equivalent to RB plus RA by RA, and this comes from the fact that the center of A is the one whose position is not changing even though every other point on wheel A is changing. If you like this episode, please do share, subscribe and like this video and share some love. Thank you.